what day are we on now? Let's see, we did 14 last night, so tonight is 15, which is right over here. And, hey, we finally get to build a Christmas tree. I was wondering when that one would come out. I'm actually really excited for this one. I'm looking forward for this mini kit. I don't know when this one's going to happen, but I'm looking forward to that one. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this one built and see what we have. Move the box out of the way here. Hope you're all having a good December so far. We're 2 weeks in. Nothing overly interesting happening here. We've got a surprisingly little amount of snow, given how far north we are in Canada and how much we got last year. I'm actually kind of surprised that we don't have more snow at the moment. Oops. Well, I hope that wasn't important. Alrighty, well, let's see, what do we have here? We have a bunch of blue and yellow studs. I have a cat trying to get a toy that he just kicked under the door, so if you hear bonking in the background, that would be Felix. Alright, so we need to make a bunch of these little green angled bits here. We need to make 4 with yellow bits on them and 4 with blue bits on them. So let's just get that part done real quick. And I just realized I'm probably slightly out of focus, so let's bring that down a little bit. There we go. Been looking into getting a less noisy autofocus lens for my camera with a longer focal length, so I can also zoom down a little closer. But the least Felix, enough. The least expensive one is something in the $800 range, which is absolutely ghastly. Sorry, yelling at the cat. Anyway, so we get a yellow one, and we get a blue one, we get another yellow one, and we get another blue one, like that, so kind of staggered off like that. Then we need to place, I wonder what this brown one is for. Oh, the brown one, okay. Well, crud. Alright, well, this one's actually going to go a bit longer, because I just messed it up. So, red one, then the brown one. Then we do the staggering of the bits here. Blue one, then another yellow one, like that. There we go. And then we need another one of these red bits. That goes there. And then we need to do this again, only offset from the previous way it was. So we're going to do this, like so. I think that's, yeah, that's how it is. And then another one of these red things. And then the green cone bit. And then this little miniature Lego dude. I'm actually just going to stick that on there, just for fun. And then a little golden Lego dude. So there we have it. We have our Lego Christmas tree. I'm actually kind of half tempted to wire up some lights in this. Maybe I'll make that a project later on. Anyway, so that's what the heck was this? Day 15. Thanks so much for joining me. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll find interesting. Right here is the Lego Advent Calendar playlist. And right here is a link to Patreon, which you can use to support the electronic things I do on this channel. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.